Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make black and white videos. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. The first thing that you need to do is open the Capcut and start a new project if you want to begin your work from scratch. But if you are already working on a project, just click on it. From here, I'm going to drag and drop a video on the timeline plus an image right here just to make it more dynamic right here. So it's a little bit big, but I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller for you guys. So if we play it through, it's gonna appear something like this. If you wanted to make it black and white, there are a couple of methods that you can do. Number one option is go to the video and hover to the transform, where you have the option to create a basic adjustments. All right. I want you to go to the adjustment tab. What will happen is you have these options for you. I want you to go to the saturation slider, and if you click the playhead going back to the left, you would notice that your video will be, but you would notice that the photo was been selected. So I want you to click the video instead. All right, same thing. We're gonna click the saturation all the way through. So we have created a black and white not only to our video but to our photo as well. So they're like a cohesive effect here. Now another option that we can do, so I'm going to undo this right now to show you more options, is go to the effects section on the upper left corner. When you hover down below, you would notice that there's the colorize black and white. If you click that, it would take effect to your video, which creates this amazing effect. All right, so let's play it through. You have the let's see what we got from here for the black and white. If you want, just type in black and white. Black noise. No, it's not what we wanted. White. Press enter. You have all these: dark night, black fade. So there's a lot that you can choose from. All right. If you choose the effect for that, for example, we're gonna be choosing the first one right here, the dark night. All you have to do now is very easy. Okay, click the export button on the top right corner and save it to the file format that you wanted, since you have successfully created a black and white video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.